Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another important topic in the chapter business environment, that is dimension of business environment. The dimension of business environment refer to all the force which are lies outside the business but have the capacity to influence its working in many way. Means द डायमेंशन ऑफ बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट रिफर करता है वो सारे फोर्सेस को जो आउटसाइड द बिजनेस हैं, बट द कैपेसिटी ऑफ दैट आउटसाइड द फोर्स दैट इन्फ्लुएंस द वर्किंग ऑफ मैनी वे, वो इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकते हैं इंटरनली. द वेरियस डायमेंशन ऑफ बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट कैन बी ब्रॉडली ग्रुप इनटू 5 कैटेगरी, namely economic condition, social condition, political condition, legal condition, and technological conditions. In order to promote the smooth functioning of a business organization, it is very essential that the business decisions are based on careful analysis of these conditions. So one by one we discuss all the environment, all the conditions of the dimension of business environment. First we discuss the economic environment. The economic environment consists of economic system, economic policy, economic conditions prevailing in the country. All the three components of economic environment influence the business to a large extent. They may create the threat or offer opportunity to the business. Hence, the businessman must timely scan the force of economic environment so that threat may be avoided and opportunity may be encased. Means इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट रिफर करता है, इट रिफर द कॉम्बिनेशंस ऑफ इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम्स, इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी एंड इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस ऑफ अ country. And the major element of economic environment is that such socialist economic, capitalist economic system, mixed economic systems, and export import policy, taxation policy, industrial policy, and the conditions such as national income, general price level, rate of interest, etc. The impact, the decrease, there are the following example of the impact of the economic environment. A rise in the income of the people lead to a rise in the demand of goods and services, vice versa. High inflation rate increase the cost of business, etc. Next, social environment. Social environment consists of social force like the traditions, values, social trend, fashion, wish, hope, level of education, standard of living, etc. It refer all, it is a refer, in the short it refer to the combinations of all the characteristic of the society in which the organization exists. The major element of social environment are tradition. It referred to social practice that have latest decade, the such as Diwali, Christmas, etc. Value. It referred to the moral value principle prevailing in the society such as freedom, social justice, equality. Third, social trend. It referred to the general change or development in the society such as health, fitness trend among the urban dwellers. The impact of the social environment or business is means a large number of festivals in India provide opportunity of various business. Indivisible freedom is the value which create the freedom of choice in the market. Social justice is a value which create the social responsibility of a business. And health and fitness trying to create a demand for the gym and mineral water are the some example or impact of the social environment on a business. And the at the last second third, technological environment. It refer to the innovation relating to various business activities. Means innovation, it technological change brings something new better of the customer. They may create threat of the some business and offer opportunity to other. The businessman must have close eyes on the technological change taking place in his field. In case of business understand these change well in the time can be achieve his objective, otherwise the very extent of a business is threatened. Thank you.